Empathy is the ability to share the feelings of others. This is a story of a boy born high up in the mountains. His parents were farmers and horse traders. From an early age, he was taught to respect animals. He saw his father treat their cattle with care and how they repaid him with their milk. He helped his brothers and sisters feed the chickens and gained sustenance from their eggs. And he watched his mother converse with the horses and felt the connection between them. So this little boy learned to love all living things. But he would soon be tested. A group of children were fighting in the valley below his father's farm. Now he had a choice to make: join the stronger side and taste victory, or the weaker side and feel pain. The stronger side observed his courage and were humbled. To the group, this young boy taught compassion. Later, he was sent to study in an imposing monastery. It was an unhappy time in his life. The winters were cold, the lessons hard, and he missed his family a lot. But when the boy saw that there were other children there who cried for their mothers at night, he knew what he needed to do. The others felt his warmth, received his love. He saw a friend in everyone. War forced the boy, now become a man, to leave the mountains behind. For years, he traveled the world. He tended to the sick, gave to the poor, and encouraged people to talk. As a result of his teachings, the sick gained strength, the poor found hope, and enemies became friends. The man was wise. His words were strong. Empathy and compassion, he said, are the sources of all happiness and success. On all continents, in all countries, from all backgrounds and religions, people listened. Through him, they learned to respect all living things, to protect the weak, to befriend the lonely, and to spread love wherever they went. Empathy is the ability to share the feelings of others. Lhamo Dhundup, the farmer's son, born in Tibet, 1935, the 14th Dalai Lama, leader of the Buddhist faith, winner of the Nobel Peace Prize, embodies empathy in all its forms.